Today I'm popping in to do a quick review of the RoboTail. This is an automatic cat litter box. Super convenient, it cleans everything for you. It is recommended that you use a special litter. This litter is made out of tofu and cassava. It's actually food grade, so it's really great for cats if they have allergies. Essentially, when you order your cat litter box, you're going to get the entire unit. Plus, you're going to go ahead and get the litter mat. Super convenient litter mat. What it actually does is splits open so all the litter falls through the holes in the front, and these holes are pretty deep, so you can kind of see it traps all the litter and keeps any of the litter from coming out and getting on your floor. Then the actual unit itself is made out of a very strong, durable plastic. It's a pretty good size. Here's my hand. That kind of gives you an idea of the size. On the side, you can remove this piece here. This is the unit that turns it. The way that this one works, it's just like a drum, and it will kind of turn. I'll show you how it works real quick with these little balls to kind of pretend that it's, you know what. So it'll kind of give you an idea of how it works. It does come with this cord that you need to use to plug it in, and then you have a few buttons on the front. One is for kind of a cleaning cycle and to go ahead and hook it up to Wi-Fi. Then you also have a child lock if you want to use that, and you can also spread the litter flat. It kind of will self-level. This is how it works. So if I go ahead and I hit this button, it's extremely quiet. But you can see what it does is it sifts the litter through this pan, and it's actually going to catch any solids. And then what's going to happen is it's going to drop those solids. Once those sift through and kind of dump into this little trash container, you're going to see that that's going to tip any of the unwanted stuff that's going to be in this litter. It's going to go down in like this little trash receptacle as it turns. That little door is going to shut all on its own. And then you're going to see that all the clean litter is actually going to come right back out into the pan. It's going to overcorrect and level itself out. So it's going to do this a few times just to level out the litter for your cat when they want to use it again. You can see it's kind of overcorrecting, and then it's going to level itself back out. And you'll see that in here you have your cat litter. This is pressure sensitive, so when your cat is in it, it can sense that there's extra weight in there, and it will not run its cycle if there's an animal in the litter box. So that is a really nice touch. When you're ready to empty it, all you have to do is squeeze this guy, and on the inside you're going to find your receptacle with all of the trash in it. This comes with the perfect little bags that will actually fit in this. They're very short little bags with a drawstring, so all you have to do is tie that up and toss it out. Something that's also really nice about this unit is it will actually come with these air fresheners. They slide right in this little basket. They smell great. They're kind of a cross between like a fresh scent and a floral scent. They're not overpowering, but it is really nice that you have an added scent on here. Once that's been dumped out, all you have to do is shut this again. This unit does come with an entire package. It comes with a 3-pack of those bags. It comes with extra scent replacers in there, so it comes with everything that you need, including, like I said, the little cat litter mat to catch all of that. Litter is not included in this. This unit also comes with an app. You can link it up to Wi-Fi, and then you can manage this on your app. The app is really nice. It has a lot of really great options available with it, and you can actually set it on its own cleaning schedule. Without using the app, you can still absolutely use this litter box. It will run every 24 hours. It'll clean itself. If it is a product that you are considering, I do recommend it. It works fantastic. We've had really good luck with it. It's incredibly quiet. It looks really nice. If it's a product you're considering, I hope my review helps you decide if it's the right product for you or not. This is a product the manufacturer sent me in exchange for my honest, unbiased opinion. and we are really going to enjoy it.